In this video, you will learn how to upgrade your account. iSearch.ai is free for your first idea, but if you want to search for more ideas, then you will want to upgrade your account. To do that, just go to the menu and click where it says upgrade. You will find this everywhere in the tool. Once you click on it, you will get a dialog box where we will describe what you get from upgrading to KISSPlatform Pro. So one of the things you get is a customized competitor report. You can also get a patent report and an explainer video every month. But one of the biggest benefits of upgrading to KISSPlatform Pro is that you gain immediate access to unlimited idea searches. This means that if you're working in different ideas at the same time, you can search for all of them with the tool. Or if you want to test different iterations of the same idea, you can also search for all of them. The process is pretty simple. You just fill out your name, you add a discount code in case you have one, and then you also add your card. All of our payments are protected with Stripe, so you don't have to worry about that. And once you have filled out all of your information, you click on subscribe, and then you get access to all the features. The best part is that you won't be billed right away. So in that sense, the first 30 days that you use the tool work as a trial. You can test the tool, you can try it, you can see if it works for you. And after those 30 days have passed by, then you will get charged $20. After that first payment, you will get billed monthly. And of course, you can cancel anytime.